Hi everyone, Amy here with amyswares, and I have a super simple stencil card to share with you. Now I have this all wrapped up, I believe is what it's called, embossing folder from Spellbinders. I have this stenciled panel from Colorful Life Design Stencil. Here is a photo of the finished card. Guys, this was so simple. Now made extra simple because I actually didn't even stencil this background. The owner of the company, of the stencil company that created that, Colorful Life Designs, Mary Kay, was actually at my house in town from Texas, and she actually played with that stencil and left that panel behind, and it was so pretty and just sitting on my desk, so I had to use it. So I die cut it down and ran it through that embossing folder, and now I'm leaving a small white border, and I'm going to attach that to a card base of 120-pound accent opaque. So if you want to take your cards to the next level, consider die cutting the edges to give them kind of a cool edge, or run them through your embossing folder. So it's such a fun way to mix and match your stencils and your embossing folders and other things in the shop. Now that stencil that was used is called Sunflowerly, and I do have a coupon for a Colorful Life Design. So if you shop for anything like stencils or bling or stamps, use my coupon AmyFan10 and save on your complete order. So here I'm just figuring out how I want to finish it. I have lots of options. This is my sentiment binder. That Oh Happy Day would have worked really well, or that yellow hello. But as you saw in the photo, I did end up going a different direction. These are scrapbook.com exclusive, I think. It was like a happy birthday set. So these might have worked. But again, I ended up on that tiny little circle-shaped sentiment, and I believe that was from Simon Says Stamp, and it was this really cool system where there's like one stamp and one coordinating die, and it cuts out a bunch of little pieces parts. So you'll see that's what I end up landing on here. This is kind of a similar concept. Pink Fresh Studio, I think, is what that is. Perfect Sentiments, maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway, I didn't end up going with that one. Here they are, all these little tiny ones. So there's like a thank you, a birthday, or something like that. I think there's even a Christmas one. So they're a little on the petite side, but like I said, it's cool because it's one solid stamp, one solid die, and it cuts out all those little pieces parts. So that little tiny circle says thanks, and it fit perfectly within the design. And then I grabbed another one just to kind of go on the inside of the card, and that is white heat embossed on black cardstock. I'm just going to pop that up with some kind of thick foam strip. I think this is also from Scrapbook. This is probably a 3mm thick, maybe. I'm not sure. It sits up pretty high. Probably shouldn't have gone quite that high actually, but I really wanted it to kind of pop off just because it was such a simple design otherwise. So very simple ink blending. That would have been Catherine Pooler ink that Mary Kay used in those nice warm colors through that Sunflowerly stencil. Just going to liquid glue that sentiment on the inside, and then I'm going to finish it off with some bling. So also the bling is from Colorful Life Designs. I'm going to use black to tie in, actually, I can't remember. Did I use black? No, I already forgot what the picture looked like. This is probably the flat black mix, maybe, or maybe I didn't end up using it. Let me watch it with you and be excited along with you, because I literally forgot. It's been that long since I made this card and filmed it, so I really have no idea. And I've already forgotten since I saw the picture. So I think I actually didn't use the bling. I think I just left it as is. Yeah, I think that's what I did. Anyway, if you want bling, there's over 100 colors, and it's amazing. And you can also use my coupon for that. So, oh yeah, here I'm figuring out white. Do I want to use it? Do I use it? Still don't know. It's exciting. I don't know. You're on this adventure with me. Who knows? Yep, I think I decided. I seriously don't remember. Yeah, I decided not to. Kept it simple. There you go. All that for nothing. Anyway, you got to see some beautiful bling, right? Anyway, that's the finished card. I'm just going to stamp on the back with my custom stamp here. It's a fun way to kind of finish off the card. Let me know in the comments if you have one of those, if you have a custom made stamp with your logo or your name. I don't always remember to use it, but I try to. Anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me. I will link the products that I used in the video description box below, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.